Have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel? Today, I want to teach you how to start a YouTube channel like I did. So first, let's take a look at my channel. Here's my channel. I have currently 479 subscribers. I haven't been getting too many views recently, but I did get a subscriber today. So, the way it started for me was, and I don't know how I did this, but if we go down, this one right here, this is what kicked it off for me. This is what kind of got me a little popular. I'm not sure exactly why this particular video got as many views as it did, but I think it had to do with what was trending in the moment. And a new Spider-Man movie came out recently, and I think that's why it grew in popularity. So they got maybe 100 or 1,000 views per video. Like this one got a little over 10,000 views now. That's like 3,000. So Spider-Man was trending at the time, and I really overdid Spider-Man, and it was actually performing really well. So I beat the game on the channel. And we can see that views dropped a little bit on Spider-Man videos. And then eventually I knew I had to end Spider-Man somewhere. So I beat the game and I left it at that. Then I played the sequel, which only made sense. And that first one got a little over 100 views, as I can see. And I played through that one. But then this video, 152,000 views. The reason it got so many views, as I said, it was trending at the time. So, the way I see it, a core step or a main step in creating a YouTube channel, focus on what's popular at the moment. People are going to want to find someone who does something popular when it is popular. And it seemed like the Spider-Man movie was really popular at the time. I didn't know it was going to get this many views, but it did because it was popular. Another thing I realized in starting a YouTube channel, this isn't necessary, I would say, but you have to have enthusiasm when you create a YouTube channel. Like my first video got 37 views, and I didn't have a camera back then. This video was my most viewed video at the time. So what I do, I completed the game. That's another thing. You should try to complete what you start. Like I should. So, like I haven't played Doki Doki Literature Club in 3 weeks, which I'm going to complete, I promise. So, 3 things. Enthusiasm, focus on what's trending, and complete what you start. See, Alphabet Lore was trending, and that has 4,100 views now. Thank you. I do have a Nintendo Switch, but I don't have Nier on Switch. That's why I haven't posted that, because I don't have it. But I did the closest thing I could, and I posted Near on my PS4. So you also want to hook your audience in. You want to make sure their attention span is grabbed before it's gone. And if I take a look at my analytics in the YouTube Studio, let's go to YouTube Studio. Analytics. Past 7 days. Alright. My channel has got 1,163 views in the last 7 days and 1 subscriber. 106. Oh, that's a lot of watch time. So, look here. October 8th, 249. And that I post this September 19th. Wow. So you, and another thing, another tip. Look at your analytics, look at your log, per se. Like I did movie clips because you guys watch movie clip channels. So I made a movie clip video. And that did impressively well. And if you go over here, there's nothing I see over here. So content. 5.8 click-through rate. And a view duration of 8 minutes. Alright. Sorry I'm not saying much. I'm trying to think of things to say as I go, which isn't a good idea. I should start writing scripts. Yeah. Scripts. Another thing, be consistent with your schedule. If you're not consistent with your schedule, people are going to forget about you. And they're not going to come back to your channel, probably. So, the key things to note in this video. Hook your audience within a very short time span of 8 seconds. At least 8 seconds. That's as long as you have. 8 seconds. 2. Upload regularly or stay in a schedule as much as you can. 3. I'm trying to think. Hang on. 3 quits. This is embarrassing. Okay. Look at your analytics. Hook your audience within 8 seconds. Make sure you upload or talk about what's trending. And one thing I didn't mention, engage with your audience. Talk to them. Ask them what they want as a viewer from you. So, I hope this video has helped you learn how to start a YouTube channel. And don't be afraid to start a YouTube channel like I was for some time. I didn't know I'd be this successful. And with that out of the way, I am going to end this video off and see you next time.